restrictions. Enough of that pity party. I am actually so happy with my life. I have the most wonderful, supportive family in the entire world. I have the most kick-ass friends, and I am so fortunate in what I've been able to do as a performer up until this point in my career, which has been very short so far. I mean, I've been able to play Margaret Mead in Hair. There you go. Shout out. I've been able to play Malvolio in 12th Night. I've been able to play Man Number 1. And it's all because people have taken chances on me, because I'm kind of odd. And I am so grateful for all the opportunities I've been given, because people have trusted in me and they've just kind of let me do my thing. And I feel like I've really grown as a performer because of that. I am so much stronger now than I was 2 years ago. However, I have a little bit of a secret. And don't tell anybody. It's really embarrassing. There's a part that I've wanted to play for a really long time. More so than Caliban in The Tempest, or Pryor in Angels in America. More than Frankenfurter in Rocky Horror, or the MC in Cabaret. I have always wanted to play a fuzzy little squirrel. Don't believe me? Here, I'll show you what I mean. I'm a squirrel, and by me that's only great. I enjoy that my silhouette is furry, that I run with a quick and squirrelish gait, and my tail is all swivelly and swirly. I adore eating nuts I find in pine trees. When my date comes to get me at my place, out I go with my Chip or Dale or Stanley, like a chipmunk that is about to hibernate. When I've got a brand new acorn and my tail's in a cute brown curl, I leap from a tree, I'm airborne. I enjoy being a squirrel. Me, and my teeth aren't teeth but pearl. I just lap it up like pine tree. I enjoy being a squirrel. I jump when I hear a person coming. I leap when I hear cats in my face. Across all the treetops I'll be running, with a pound and a half of berries in my bed. Thanks for supporting my dream. I would like to take this moment to thank the woman who, without her help, these cabarets would be next to impossible, Miss Janice Flowers. Another secret, I'm madly in love with her. I have had... I've had the incredible opportunity to do both of the musicals that I've done at MacEwan under the direction of Janice Flower, and she has really trusted me to kind of just do whatever I want. Whether that be using my cauldron to snort a line of magic, the wizard in Once Upon a Mattress, or screaming at the top of my lungs in a blind fury as man number 1 in the musical. laugh is so infectious, I forgot what I was going to say next. Anyway, if there's one thing I pride myself on as a performer, it's fearlessness. And I feel like everyone should release their inhibitions and just dive headfirst into whatever it is they want to do. I mean, all of you in first year, I'm going to address the first year. You are all so fantastic. I'm so happy that I got to be your second year. Put your tongue back in your mouth. Swear to God. Anyway, so I am a big believer in huge finales, so I called in a few favors and I managed to get someone really incredible. Straight off her 87th revival of Hello Dolly, Carol Channing! This is just great. Carol, I told you no more drinking before my cabaret. I'm always doing this. What do you have to say for yourself? You are just the... Stop it. You are just the worst. She can't even sit up straight, she's so drunk. Mom! Anyway, because you're so wasted, you don't get to sing with me. You just get to sit there and watch, because you are not going to ruin my finale! Who's not wearing any clothes? I'm not, my darling. Who's afraid to kiss your toes? I'm not your mama, dear. It's blowing into your ear. So you'll get it loud and clear. I need you to squeeze me here and here and here. Not in school. Coochie, 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 coo. I've got a plan for what I'm gonna do to you. So, hot, you're gonna steam and scream and vibrate like a unplugging. Kiss your fevered little brow. Lick your cheeks till you say ow, ow. And I can hardly wait to show you how. Guido, who won't care if you come to me tired and overworked? I won't, Bambino, who needs a therapy to beat what you can get from me. I don't, but this will have to be enough for now.